Hello everyone. In this video I'll teach you chapter 2, that is electric potential and capacitance. Electric potential and capacitance. So let us see what is electric potential first. Electric potential. Electric potential. So already this electric potential difference you have studied in class 10th level, but still I'll tell you about this. So suppose a point charge is there. Point charge is there. Now, if I put a charge here, whether this if I put a test charge here, test charge means one column charge. If I put here, whether this test charge will feel any force. So if it feels any force, that means this charge is inside the field of this charge. So this is capital Q. So the space around which a unit positive charge or test charge feel electrostatic force is called nothing but electric field. Now, if I put a test charge at this point, whether this test charge will feel some force? Obviously not, because it is outside the field of this charge. Now, if I bring here at the interface or at the just at the end point of the field, whether it will feel force? Yes, it will feel some force. But if we want to take a charge from this point up to this point, up to the point A, can I bring it? Answer is no. Why? Because this test charge will be repelled by this plus Q charge. Now, in order to bring this test charge from this point up to the point A, we have to do some external work. So that external work is stored as a potential. So at the point A, potential will be nothing but VA. So what is potential? What is electric potential? Electric potential is the amount of work done. Electric potential is the amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a point inside the electric field. From infinity to a point inside the electric field. So that work done is stored as a potential, and this is known as nothing but the electric potential. Now, can I say this point is infinity? This point is very nearer, no? So can I say it is infinity? We may say. Now suppose if I want to go America by walking. So shall I reach America by walking? This is not possible, because on the way I will get some sea and all. So going America while by walking is not possible for me. So that country America will be like infinity for me, because out of my range. So similarly, this test charge Q naught is out of the range of this capital Q, means outside the field of this capital Q. So this point is regarded as nothing but the infinity. So what is electric potential? Amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a point inside the electric field. Now, potential difference. Potential difference. Now suppose a point A is there, another point is here, point B. Point A and point B. So here potential will be VB. Now, at which point the potential will be more? At the point A or at the point B? Since work done is more at the point A, so potential at the point A will be greater than the potential at the point B. That means VA must be greater than what? VB. Now, potential difference between 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points is the amount of work done. The potential difference between 2 points is the amount of work done to bring a test charge from one point to another inside the field. This time, charge will be moved inside the field only. So, whatever the work is done to move the charge from one point to another, that work done is called nothing but the potential difference between the 2 points. Now, suppose if I write here potential difference between 2 points, VA minus VB. VA minus VB will be equal to, suppose we take a test charge here. We take a test charge from point B to point A. So, work done to take from B to A per unit positive charge. If I take a test charge from point B to A, so work done will be equal to, work done per unit charge will be WBA by Q naught. So since this potential is bigger, VA is bigger and VB is what? Smaller, then this value will be positive. But if VB is greater or VA is, suppose we take a charge from point A to point B. Point A to point B. Then obviously it will, if we take from Suppose B to A, the VA minus VB. If you take from A to B, so VB minus VA. So the potential, if the potential difference will be, means you can write anything, VA minus VB or VB minus VA. The sign of the potential will depend upon which one is greater and which one is smaller. Or also we can say that if the direction of the field is opposite to the displacement, then obviously force in that case will be negative, and work done will also become negative. So here you see VA minus VB. So VA minus VB, higher potential, and VB is lower potential. So this term will be positive. So what we can say? We can say that potential difference is nothing but the work done. Work done to take a test charge between the 2 point A and B. Now, now we have understood that what is electric potential, how much potential is there. But mathematically we don't know what is the expression for potential, and that expression we are intending to find now. So next topic is electric potential or potential due to a point charge. Potential due to a point charge. Potential due to a point charge. Now let us consider a positive charge here, plus Q charge, and suppose one point is here, infinity. So if I say infinity, what does it mean? This point is outside the field of this charge. This point is outside of the field of this charge. Now I want to bring a test charge up to this point. I want to bring a test charge up to this point. And what is the name of this point? A. And this point is at what distance from the center? Suppose that distance from the center is nothing but the R. Center means, I mean, origin, that is location of the point, capital T. So this distance is a small r. Suppose one point, another point we considered here, point, suppose P, and another point here, point Q, and the distance between them is nothing but, suppose delta x. Delta x. This point is delta x. This distance is delta x. And the distance between the point Q and the capital Q, our charge capital Q, is nothing but x. And one point is there. What is that point? Infinity. And from infinity we want to bring the charge up to the point A. So if you bring a test charge from infinity to the point A, how much work is done? That work done we want to calculate, because that work done will be stored as a potential. Now, so suppose we started bringing the test charge from infinity, and at any point we reach at the point Q. At any point we reach at the point Q. Now from point Q to P, how much displacement is there? Delta x. So we'll calculate a small amount of work done to calculate, we calculate the small amount of work done to take the test charge from point Q to P. So if we get this small amount of work done, then we'll integrate this small amount of work done, like this is the small amount of work done, delta dW. So like this, many dW will be there between 2 points. Suppose between these 2 points the work done is dW. So like this, many 2 points are there, so many dW will be there. So if we want to add all these dWs, what we have to do? Just integrate it within the proper limit, you will get the total amount of work done. And once we know the total amount of work done, it is that work that is stored as a potential energy, or we can say potential, that already I have discussed. Now, the small amount of work done, the small amount of work done to take Q naught from point Q to P. So what is the small amount of work done? dW, and dW equal to force into displacement. What is the displacement here? dx. Delta x, or also we can say dx. Now, when the charge at this point is Q naught, so what is the force between this capital Q and Q naught? And we assume that this point is inside the electric field of this charge. So the force between the charge capital Q and a Q naught at this point will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiply by capital Q, Q naught divided by, what is the distance between them? It is x. So that is why what will be there? X square, and obviously displacement is there, dx. So this is the total amount of work done to bring the test charge from point Q to point P. Now if we want to calculate total amount of work done, what we have to do? Obviously we have to integrate. So integrate the total amount of work done. The total amount of work done is, we have to integrate this integration of dw, and here what will be the integration of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by capital Q, Q naught divided by x square dx. Now what is the variable here? With d, whatever there, that is variable. So what is the variable here? X. So x start from where? X start from infinity, and up to which point we want to go? Up to the point A. So what is the position vector of the point A from the source charge? That is capital R. Up to the point A we want to bring, so upper limit will be R, and from where we are bringing infinity, that means this distance is infinity. So lower limit will be infinity and upper limit will be R. Integration of dw will be equal to only w, and here this dx is, x is the variable, so x is there which will remain here, and remaining all the terms will be out of the integration. So it will be capital Q, Q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught integration of infinity to up to R. What is the remainder here? X square. So x will go above, it will have minus 2 dx. Now Q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught will always be there, and integration of x to the power minus 2. What will be integration of x to the power minus x to the power n dx? This is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the formula. So you can see that x to the power minus 2 is there. So if I take minus 2 plus 1 according to this formula, and minus 2 plus 1, so what will be remainder? This will be x to the power minus 1, and this will be minus 1. So here minus 1 by x will be there, infinity to R. I hope you understood this. So capital Q, Q naught will be there, 4 pi epsilon naught, in minus sign will come out. So in place of x, what we can put? 1 by R. In place of x we can put R, minus in place of x what we can put? Infinity. So this will be like this. So minus capital Q, Q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, here we can take one minus sign. Why minus sign? Because you see, displacement is this side, but force acting will be in this. If I put a test charge here, force will in which direction? Capital Q will repel this, so Q naught will be, force will be in this direction. That is why one minus sign will always be there here. The minus sign was there. So as soon as this minus sign came out, it will become positive, and here it will be multiplied by 1 by R. So work done will be equal to capital Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by capital Q, Q naught divided by R square. So already we have seen that potential is equal to, potential V equal to work done per